welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a how to turn a half wig, which is this half wig right here I got from Priseer. That's how you say Priseer. This is a half wig that they sent me, and I'm going to show you guys how to turn it into a full wig. As you guys can see, this synthetic wig I have right now is like at the end of its rope. I've been trying to wear it, like when I wear a wig, I wear it to like the last day that I could wear it. So I was like, why not try this one? So let's get into it. Okay, you guys, so I'm just showing you the front and how a half wig looks. And I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the back of it, just doing like a full 360 so you guys get a gist of what type of wig this is. And then I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I turn it into a full wig. So before I put the wig on my head, I just wanted to put a couple bobby pins in it to make sure the hair lays down flat. So as you guys can see, the front is like half wig, and I do have my natural hair underneath it braided, which you guys can't see, but see how the hair is. And yeah, so I have my hair braided. I'm gonna go ahead and make a bang because you guys, I got a 5-head. So okay, you see this? Okay, I bobby pinned. There's like little tiny hairs. I bobby pinned it right here. I'm just getting my bang. Come on, airplane. So you guys know how I like my bang, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and make sure that I get these hairs straight down for my bang. This down. I have like my accessories, obviously ponytails. If you guys want to put in a ponytail, I have my bang, I have bobby pin. I'll probably put like a clip right here. Piece right here. I don't know if you guys would wear it like that. You know, like little baby hairs. I might cut those little hairs. Tell me what you guys think about this. It's literally like midnight. I just wanted to film this because I was looking up videos on YouTube, and I really wanted to wear this wig, but I just couldn't with it being a half wig because my hair definitely would not blend with this texture. But with me doing my bang like this, I think it's pretty good. Think about this. Clip right there. Up, subscribe if you haven't already. If you have any requests, make sure you leave them in the comment box below, and I'll see you guys in my next video.